Hola, buenos días. So to upload a video on YouTube, well, of course, you need to have it ready to go, right? When you have finished your video, whether you have used Studio or some other resource, you need to have it ready to go in your computer. For example, I already have mine here. And it needs to be an MP4 extension. Okay, so I have it on my desktop. If you have it here on Studio and you have not downloaded it yet, you're going to click on View, and on here, these three dots, download, and it's going to download to your computer, and then from there you can put it wherever you want it, on the desktop or on a folder or anywhere you want. You just need to know where it is. And so now we're going to go to YouTube. You go to your mailbox through ACU, and on these dots here, you're going to find your YouTube account, and you're going to click on Create and Upload Video, and select Files, and you're going to find where you have your video. I'm going to select mine there. Open, and your video, you're going to give it a title that you want, something that it will be identifiable for you. Here on this details, I think you have to mark whether it's made for kids or not. I'm not sure. Yes. So I usually say no because it's actually not necessarily for kids. The next two are not really important. You don't do anything there. But this one, visibility, is very, very important. You want your video to be unlisted. With unlisted, with that setting, the only people who can watch it are the people who have the link to watch your video. With public, anybody can watch it. It's there, available for anybody who finds it and wants to watch it. But please do make sure your video is not on private, because I cannot watch it if it's on private. Okay, I don't have access to it. It needs to be on either one of these two. I recommend unlisted if you don't want other people to watch it. And here is the link that you will need. So you're going to copy that link, and that is what you're going to paste in the place where you're going to submit your assignment. Okay. So you say that, there's a link again, and your video is there. You can click on it and watch it, see what it looks like on YouTube. But here's the link again, okay? It may take a couple of minutes to actually be available on YouTube, but it doesn't take very, very long. So once you have that link copied, we're going to go to Canvas, and you're going to go to the last module here. Let me put this back on student view. To the last module where it says submit your project here. And you're going to start the assignment, and no. And all you're going to do is paste the link to your video and submit assignment. Okay? And that's it. You are all done. You have submitted your assignment, and I can, it says submitted, when, at what time, and I have access to it. Okay? So if I go, let's see, if I go to my, okay, goodness. Here I can see that I have your assignment ready to go. Okay, so I click on it and I can watch it. Okay, so that is how you upload a video to YouTube. Very, very simple. If you have any questions or any concerns about this, please let me know. Chao, hasta luego.